Hey guys, welcome back. In this one, we're going to be learning about nested formulas. So what does nested formulas mean? Up till this point, we've been doing one number multiplied by another or one plus another. In nested formulas, you can do more than one calculation. You can do A times B times C divided by D plus E and so on, right? And you can contain all of that in one individual cell. So I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. So we're going to start here on the end. Now what we're going to calculate is this per month value, but instead of doing this calculation first, let me do that again, this calculation first and then this calculation and finally the per month calculation, we're going to do all of it in one go. Alright, so again, start with this first cell. You're going to begin with equals, like always, like a formula, and we're going to start with the per day. Alright, now the first thing we did is we multiplied it by 5, assuming it's a 5-day week. So let's do that. Multiplied by 5, right? The next thing we did is we multiplied that by 50, assuming that you're going to be playing games for 50 weeks of the year. So we go multiplied by 50. So as you can see, we've already done two formulas. Okay, now the last one is per month. Alright, so in that case, we divided, so the backslash, by 12. Now if you press enter, it's all done. Now as you can see here, these values are the same, which means our formula is correct. So that's a good way of checking it as well. We use the fill handle and we fill in the rest, as you can see. And that's how you do nested formulas. Hope you guys enjoyed. See you guys soon.